going to be a very quick tutorial on how to change your config file in Call of Duty and a couple other settings. So first off, you want to navigate to Documents, then Call of Duty, then Players, and then this file right here, Options for COD 23, right click it, copy, and then paste it somewhere to back it up, wherever you want to back it up. And then the file that I sent you, simply delete this one. Call of Duty needs to not be running. And then you paste it in here and then it'll change that. So you need to find out how many cores CPU you have. You can right click the menu and hit your start menu and hit Task Manager, go to Performance, go to CPU. And then down here it says how many cores you have. Mine says 10. So it's got to be however many this is minus 1. So mine needs to be 9. So I go in here, render word count equals 9 for me. It was automatically set for 12 for me. But anyways, just change that based on your own processor. Next, after you've changed this, before booting up the game, you want to go ahead and open up the Call of Duty file. So in Steam or wherever you have it at, you right click this, go to Manage, go to Browse Local Files. This will pop up. Go to COD 23, go to Shader Cache. You want to select all of this and delete it all. It'll redo shaders, but everything will be set how it should be.